Guys, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
As you know it very well, today we are going to discuss the topic that is Mother's Day. So you all know it very well. Mother's Day is a play. It's a play which is written by J.B. Priestley. First of all, you must all be knowing what are the essential elements of a play. So there are 6 essential elements of a play. If these elements are missing in a play, the play cannot take place, that play cannot be. Yes, so what are the 6 elements of a play? The first element is Lord, about which the story revolves. Alright, the second important thing is characters. Means characters are very important in a play. If we don't have the character which is performing or delivering the things as per the character assigned to that character, that play cannot take place. The third important thing or third important element of a play is thought. Thought, that I told you. Means thought is what? This will keep the audience together. That will keep the audience interested in the scene. Alright. The next thing which is important in this, that is what beta? Diction. Diction means what beta? Language. Diction means what? Language. Characters must have the decent language. That language which is expected from them. And then next thing is come, that is music. Music is the fifth crucial element of a play or drama. And the last essential element of a drama, that is the spectacle. That is the spectacle. That is the spectacles. Spectacles means what? When you are performing the drama, the background. In which background the drama is being performed. Now let us talk about this particular play, Mother's Day. What happens in this play? This is the story of a woman. This is the story of a woman who is the protagonist in this story. So the protagonist in this story is Mrs. Pearson. Mrs. Annie Pearson. I write here the Pearson, and she is the protagonist. Protagonist means what beta?
Main character.
Yes, protagonist means is the main character, main hero or heroine. Right? So what happens? A mother who is ready to accept all the orders of the family members. Whatever her husband demands, she is ready to fulfill that. Whatever her son demands, she is ready to carry out that. Whatever her daughter demands, she is ready to carry out without any question, without any objection. When it comes that she must also have one day for the rest, then what happens in the family? All this we will come to know in this play, Mother's Day. So let's talk about the title itself, Mother's Day. Let's focus on the title itself, Mother's Day. Mother's Day means what? Anybody out of you can tell me? What is this Mother's Day? माँ का दिवस या मातृ दिवस. Just like others day, we celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate Friends Day, we celebrate Father's Day, we celebrate World Environment Day, we celebrate Republic Day. As today we have celebrated, as today we have celebrated Sports Day in the memory of. So my question is to all of you, why do Why do we celebrate Mother's Day? It's very simple to remember or to recall or to understand the importance of a mother. On that